With the country's territory under threat by a foreign aggressor that refuses to honor our rightful claim, it is both practical and wise to man every piece of land that we can to prevent others from treacherously taking them. More so if we are able to establish a barracks or base, which was precisely the objective of a groundbreaking ceremony today led by senators and the Department of National Defense in Pag-asa Island. Daniel Manalastas has the full details.
These Chinese vessels near Pag-asa Island are visibly clear, which the Defense Department reckoned were more or less 20 ships or vessels. Their presence was cited during the groundbreaking ceremony of the Navy barracks led by the visiting senators. Even they said they experienced radio challenges on their way to Pag-asa.
Hindi natin alam, baka meron po silang sensitive listening device galing dyan sa mga barko nila. Gusto ko lang po sabihin kung nakikinig po sila. Ito po ang teritoryo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Hindi po inyo ito. Ito po ay teritoryo ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Bago pa dumating ang si Magellan, atin na po ito. Kaya kung pwede, lumayas na kayo.
Wait, chala, chongko. Umuwi na kayo. Parang lahat, kahit sa ngayon na nagsasalita tayo, mukhang nakikinig na sila. So binabati din natin sila at sinasabi nating Pilipinas ito.
Problems in Pag-asa came to light on the senators who visited the island, like the problems on education and health facilities. As previously reported, there are no doctors in the island and no doctors on board today to visit as well.
Nag-try kaming mag-request sa DTTB, iyan ay sa pamamagitan ng Department of Health, pero yung dalawang request namin ay denied. Siguro dahil konti ang population, pero sana mai-consider kasi with our unique location, no, yung aming geographical location, talagang very challenging ang pagpunta. And wala po tayong regular commercial vessel na pwedeng mag-cater sa ating mga magiging pasyente from Pag-asa Island.
Tulungan na lang po yung mga bata po nag-aaral. Pang ano nyo sila sa school, sa mga t-shirt nila ng uniform. Ano pa po? Mga sapatos.
Residents also face the threats of Chinese vessels always on patrol around the island. Still, many residents choose to live in the island.
Pero wala namang nangyayari. Saka dito, kaya nagustuhan na rin mga anak ko, tipid sa gastos. Hindi katulad na sa baba, bawat kilos pera. Dito, nakakaipon sila.
The DND meanwhile has this warning in case some harm befalls these peace-loving and innocent Filipinos.
Dudugo ilong nila kung subukan nila.
Because of the growing population ng Pilipino, kailangan po ng mga future generations ng Pilipino ang mga resources dito sa West Philippine Sea. Pag-asa po ng Pilipinas ang West Philippine Sea, kaya hindi po natin pwede talikuran.
Senators vow to help improve the island by funding their urgent needs.
From Pag-asa Island, Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.